our part within the Ministry of Finance was to regulate the tax aspect of it in regards to diplomats and so forth. But in regards to the timeline, we don't have. But I know one part of it is that the World Bank said it would help with the speeding up of processes on the island when it comes to the different projects on the island in regards to the trust fund, because that they will have staff on the island instead of having to relay back overseas and so forth. They have staff locally that could make decisions quickly and execute a lot faster.
Once we have processed the legislation through Parliament and there is no challenge with that, so if it receives approval of Parliament and is signed off, ratified, etc., then the process can start. And I don't know from the World Bank side how long that would necessarily take. Secondary to that, once and if the World Bank establishes, or any international governmental organization establishes an office on St. Maarten, there can be opportunities for local employment as well. But then they would be working directly for that organization, if you can understand. And the laws that the minister had to adjust would regulate how that is done.